Assalamualaikum, hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another exciting video. If you are new here, do subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon as well, so whenever I upload a video you will get notified. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Wondering what this hamper in my hand is. This hamper has been sent by Chicnutrix. The reason is that they are celebrating their birthday and I am thrilled to be here wishing Chicnutrix a very happy 4th birthday. It's been an amazing journey so far and I am so grateful for it. Just in case if you don't know about the brand, so you should know that Chic is India's leading beauty and wellness brand which gives you solution inside and out through its various nutritional products and amazing range of Korean skincare, especially for all Indian skin types. So now let's see what surprises are there in this box. First, we have Chicnutrix Cleanse Blood Purifier for healthy skin. Unique formulation of 500 mg natural turmeric extract and added benefit of black pepper, ginger and zinc. Purifies blood, enhances skin and improves complexion. Fights inflammation, prevents acne and help reduce acne scars and promotes skin healing. You will get 25 tablets in one bottle. Drop one tablet in 250 ml of water, wait till the tablet dissolves completely and drink. Secondly, we have Chicnutrix Block Lightweight Sunscreen. It has niacinamide which aids in calming irritated skin and maintain hydration. Adenosine which promotes cell regeneration, improves skin elasticity and it has SPF 45. It offers amazing protection and defense sunburn. It has PA+++ in this sunscreens, offers a very high protection against the same. Suitable for all skin types. Third, we have Chicnutrix Illume Face Sheet Mask infused with lemon essence extract rich in vitamin C and it has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and collagen peptides. It makes skin clear, smooth and glow and radiance, prevent dullness and uneven skin tone, provide skin hydration and add instant glow and radiance. And lastly, we have Good Eats Masala Oat. It has 10 grams of instant plant-based protein and 5 grams of dietary fiber along with real veggies, crunchy seeds like chia, pumpkin and tulsi. It's vegan and instant protein oats are packed with beta-glucan which helps to manage cholesterol and makes you and your heart happy. Taste approved by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, nutrition assured by Fasten Up. Shilpa, Shetty, Kundra and Masaba Gupta being their brand ambassador. This brand is trusted by many Indians. This May Chicnutrix is turning 4 and in honor of their birthday, they have crazy sales going on. You will get an assured gift on every order. From 8th to 10th May, you will get a flat 50% discount on all of their products plus surprise gift hamper on order above 2000. Spin the wheel contest on the entire month. And another offer which we call product of the day, you will get a heavy discount on the respective product of the day. So make sure you make a best of it and not let this opportunity slide. For additional 10% discount, use my coupon code which is right here and also mentioned in the description box. Their website link is in the description box, so make sure to check out their website. And till then, share this with your family and friends because they have best deals on their website. So not your friends and family members not miss this chance. So what are you waiting for? Go grab this offer. Till then, like this video, share this video, comment on this video. Till then, मैं आप लोगों से मिलती हूँ next exciting भरे वीडियो के साथ. तब तक stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.